Does your food burn every time you use your Instant Pot? Okay, so food burn is a super common issue, and it's easily fixed on some recipes. However, once you've gotten that food burn notice, it is difficult to go back from that. So let's talk about ways that we can prevent it in the beginning. If you're cooking freezer meals and you're getting a food burn, make sure you're thawing your meals all the way, because I've noticed if they're halfway thawed and there's frozen chunks, that leads to food burn. Another thing you need to look out for: 1, do you have enough liquid? That's super important. 2, are you layering correctly? So usually, like, layering can be important in the Instant Pot. Like if we're doing like chicken, some kind of chicken and rice, or a pasta, the pasta needs to be more towards the top and not on the bottom. Same with the rice. Also, you can spray it with oil. That helps as well. The absolute first thing I would look at though, do you have enough liquid? Important, very important.